Today we're bringing life to this adorable poodle sketch using colored pencils. Whether you're new to coloring or a seasoned artist, I'll guide you through the steps to make your poodle look fluffy, vibrant, and oh so realistic. Let's get started. Step 1. Base layer. First things first, start with a light base layer. Think of this as your foundation. For this poodle, I'm using a light gray pencil. Use soft, even strokes, and don't press too hard. You want to gently map out where the shadows and highlights will go. Imagine where the light is hitting, probably on the top of the head, nose, and legs. Keep those areas lighter. Step 2. Adding depth with shading. Now, let's add some depth. Grab a slightly darker gray and start shading the shadowed areas, under the ears, around the neck, and where the curls overlap. Use small circular motions to mimic the texture of fur. Remember, fur isn't smooth, it's fluffy. Don't rush this part. Build up the layers slowly for a natural look. Step 3. Blending for smoothness. Blending is key to making your poodle look polished. You can use a blending pencil, a white pencil, or even a tissue. Gently go over the areas you've shaded to soften the lines and make the transition seamless. But don't blend too much. You want to keep some of that texture for the fur. Step 4. Adding a pop of color. Time to add some personality. Use a soft pink for the nose, the inside of the ears, or even a playful bow on the poodle's head. A little color goes a long way and makes your drawing pop. Keep your strokes light and build up the intensity gradually. Step 5. Final touches. Now for the details. Use a sharp black pencil to define the eyes, nose, and any other small features. This will give your poodle that crisp, finished look. You can also add a few extra stray hairs around the edges to make the fur look even fluffier. And there you have it, a perfectly fluffy colored pencil poodle. Remember, the key is patience and layering. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect right away. Art is all about practice and having fun. Now grab your pencils and give it a try. Enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your creations in the comments. I'd love to see your colorful poodles. Until next time, keep creating.